Welcome to this hands-on visual guide to the RJ-45 connector. We will see what it looks like, how pins are numbered, the T568A and T568B color orders, straight through versus crossover, and the basic crimping steps. First, the physical appearance. It looks like a clear plastic modular plug with 8 positions and 8 conductors, often called 8P8C. The little latch clicks into the jack to hold it in place. Pin numbering. Looking into the plug front with contacts up and latch down, the pins are numbered 1 through 8 from left to right. There are 2 common Ethernet wiring standards, T568A and T568B. They differ only in how the green pair and the orange pair are placed. We will color the pins for both side by side. T568A order is 1 white green, 2 green, 3 white orange, 4 blue, 5 white blue, 6 orange, 7 white brown, 8 brown. T568B order is 1 white orange, 2 orange, 3 white green, 4 blue, 5 white blue, 6 green, 7 white brown, 8 brown. Uses include Ethernet networking such as 10 base T, 100 base TX, and 1000 base T, and sometimes serial or telecom applications. Straight through versus crossover. A straight-through cable uses the same standard on both ends, A to A or B to B, so pin numbers match straight across. A crossover cable uses A on one end and B on the other, so the transmit and receive pairs swap, commonly 1 with 3 and 2 with 6. Now, the basic crimping process. We will visualize the 5 steps. Step 1. Strip about 1 inch of the outer jacket. Step 2. Untwist the pairs and arrange the wires in the chosen color order. Step 3. Trim the wires straight to about 1/2 inch. Step 4. Insert fully into the plug until each wire seats against the front. Step 5. Crimp with the tool to press down the contacts and secure the plug. Here is a quick reference for the T568A and T568B color orders with pin numbers from left to right. In summary, an RJ-45 is the 8-pin modular plug for twisted pair Ethernet. Pins are numbered 1 to 8 from left to right with contacts up and latch down. Use T568A or T568B for the color order, typically B in North America. Straight through uses the same standard on both ends, while crossover swaps the green and orange pairs between ends. Crimping is strip, untwist, and arrange, trim, insert, and press.